Abarai bebyombe ao gati yabo omwaziri we wizara y'obochenu Dr. Isaac Kalua nigo bagikiire okorobekana okugogokorwa nobomo bwa Azimio One Kenya ase batebire buna nigo ekoretwo gosaria okonene kwenibo koreng'ana na barabwo nigo bagoteba buna nonyekere obwene bwabo korobekana nigo kobwenderete koba okorobekana kwa omorembe. Abarai abo nigo batebire buna ensi ya Kenya nigo ebwate emechando emenene gati yabo okuborwa kwegasi abo ase baboririe omorai bobomo bwa Azimio One Kenya omosike Raila Amolo Odinga gotiga gokora okorobekana na kurigia enchera yokogayana amagani abo.
Gathered here to first and foremost empathize with Kenyans of all walks of life who have lost their loved ones, who have been injured in one way or another, and who have been maimed, and also those who have lost property. Kenyans, or the Kenya's constitution, gives right to express themselves, ourselves, on any issues, of course with the caveat that it needs to be peaceful. Having that in mind, the reality is a bit different. We are now dealing, and what we are now currently dealing with is beyond who is right and who is wrong. It is whether we will have a country tomorrow. We sincerely urge the Azimio coalition to consider calling off their weekly demonstrations to give room to a national engagement, not just a dialogue.